No?
Sí, loud.
Hi everybody.
Hey guys, so today we're back.
Hi guys.
Okay,
It's Pedro. What's your name?
Ito.
and Sandra.
And today we're gonna be showing you guys how to do homemade buffalo wild wings. And here we have the stuff. We got the wings. We just bought them at Costco. They look disgusting. And we have all the materials, all the ingredients. We got 3 buffalo wing sauces. We got garlic powder, ground pepper, onions, black pepper. We got the harina.
Alright guys, so that's your typical what you use your ingredients in the wings. So like my husband said, he showed you guys the wings. So we have our flour, we have our granulated onion, our onion powder, we have salt, pepper, all the basic ingredients, paprika as well. We chose I think these are the best sauces. We chose mild honey barbecue and we chose Asian zing for our sauces.
Puro charlita gang, huh?
Wow. Okay, so we're just gonna show you guys how to do the mixture. How to do the mixture for the wings. It's not so much of how we show you how to do the sauce. It's pretty easy. You can just go get them near your nearest your Buffalo Wild Wing store. So let's go ahead and let's start showing you how to do the batter or the dry batter.
It's gonna be doing the wings on Gigi, aka Gigi. You gonna do the wings, Gigi?
Yeah.
You're gonna show them how to do it? So they won't have to go spend millions at Buffalo Wild Wings.
This is an easy recipe and it does save you guys at least a good 40-50 bucks. Let's say you buy a good 10 wings at Buffalo Wild Wings, they're like 11 bucks.
And we make them better. Matter of fact. Alright,
Okay.
we're gonna be using an electrical, what is this thing called?
Like an electrical fryer somewhat.
We're gonna be using an electrical fryer today to show you guys so it could be easier for us to show
Okay.
everything.
So technically I'm gonna go ahead and try to use the measuring cup. I already know sort of how much is in into the batter technically. So I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna start with the flour. You can use all-purpose flour, doesn't really matter. So 1 cup.
Gigi says she wants to do it.
You wanna do it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, you dig it? You get it first.
So you're gonna go ahead, Gigi. You're gonna grab your cup
All the full, Gigi, you have to be full.
like this.
Alright,
And
Gigi.
you're gonna dump it. There you go.
So how many you put?
Alright. 2 cups.
That's it? That's all you
Yep,
need?
just 2 cups. And we counted how many? We counted around 30 wings. So we counted 30 wings.
Yeah. So 2 cups for 30 wings?
Yeah. We're gonna go ahead and do paprika.
That's the good stuff. The good stuff. The one that gives us the flavor, you know what I'm saying?
And I have 1 teaspoon. So I'll be using a 1 teaspoon. I'll be using 1, 2. So I'll be using 2 teaspoons. As well, you're gonna go ahead and grab your ground cayenne pepper, red pepper, so it's just for a little bit of that spice. As well, you're gonna go ahead and use just 1 teaspoon. You're gonna grab your garlic powder. Go ahead and use 1, 2, 3 teaspoons. Next, you got your granulated onion. And do 1, 2. And I will be putting all of this description below.
The whole recipe, so it'll be easy, guys. And you guys could just see 1 teaspoon of this, 1 teaspoon of that. So
I'm gonna go back into the black pepper. So I'm just gonna do 1 teaspoon. And then the last part is the salt. And it's just gonna be 1 teaspoon.
One teaspoon, guys.
You got your Gordon Ramsay chef in the house right here.
Yeah, you know, get yourself a wife that can cook, you know what I'm saying?
Okay, so next, you're gonna go ahead and mix it all. So let me go ahead and grab a fork. And you're just gonna go ahead and mix it. Alright, so technically the dry rub is done. So you're gonna go ahead and just put this one aside, doesn't matter where you put it. So the next part to this.
Wait. Just let me take over. I got this.
Alright, let's see what he's got.
Alright. So, I'm just kidding.
Oh my gosh, really? Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and start connecting the electric
Nah, that's what I was gonna do too.
fryer.
I was about to do this. I was just testing you, see if you knew how to do it. Now, if you know how to do it, I'll take over.
How many degrees is? How much degrees do you have to put it to?
Like 375?
No. So you're gonna go ahead and put it to 380.
Really? Really?
You're gonna go ahead and put it to 380.
Same thing.
So for this part, you guys all know that usually you deep fry the wings. So what I just like to do differently is I don't like to go all the way up with the oil. So I just go ahead and do probably a tiny bit less.
But don't they
than
have
usual.
to swim in that fat oil?
Not really. If you're not trying to do them that greasy, you can go ahead and just do it a light. Alright. So it's already on. So it's gonna start warming up. It doesn't really matter which oil you use. I usually just use corn oil, masola oil. You can use
The cheap kind, you know what I'm saying?
the affordable kind. So you can use those, doesn't matter which oil you use. A lot of people tend to say that the peanut oil is really good, that it cooks better.
Yeah, that's the one Chick-fil-A uses.
Or vegetable oil.
That's why Chick-fil-A has the best chicken sandwich there is in the world. Feel me?
Okay, so while that is warming up, you're gonna go ahead. So you gotta make sure that at least the wings are completely dry. Not completely dry, but they're maintained not that wet substance, not so wet.
Why?
Because it tends to kind of jump more like the oil.
Oh, no, it's not gonna jump. If you put it when it's not that hot, you won't jump.
Okay, so I'm just gonna grab a plate. Just to dry them up. So just make sure they're not that wet. So just grab any type of napkin that you may have. Alright guys, so I'll be right back. So I'll have them dried up once you guys come back.
In the meantime, let me guys show you what beer I'm drinking right now, you know? It's either the Angry Orchard, just to give it a little try. But ¿Quieres salir tú también? Pues ya salió. Ya salió, ni modo. Mándele saludos a todos. Allá por todos los que están mirando desde China, desde la finiquera, todos los parientes. And We got the mild. Honey barbecue, that's just weak. And this is the best one there is, Asian zing. She's up. Celeste. Celeste. Hey, hey. Hi Celeste. You gonna help us too? Do the video? Yeah? Celeste. Gigi, who's that?
Celeste.
Your little sister? No.
Alright guys, so now that they're dried up, so I'm gonna go ahead and just put them into the dry rub. Just go ahead and dump it in there. Just go ahead, dump it in there. First batch. Just gonna go ahead. You're gonna grab that safe fork that you had or another one. Just go ahead and mix it in. Or you can just go ahead and just use your own hand. Doesn't matter.
Pero no se lava las manos, so we're doing it with a fork.
Yes, I did wash my hands.
Psych.
Okay, so that's done. You're gonna go ahead and grab them, pour it into your oil. So be very, very careful. Remember that your oil is very hot. There's one. Remember, kind of shake it off so you can get all that. You can get some of the extra powder off of the wing. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and dump these in, and I'll be right back with you guys, okay? So just one more thing I forgot, guys. So just remember to leave them for about 10 minutes on each side. 10 to 15 minutes on each side, depending on how well cooked you want them.
Or how they're looking.
Uh-huh.
Alright, we're 5 minutes in, and they're already changing color. They're already getting that good, crispy color. They're starting to get it. And we're gonna do how many? 2 batches?
2 batches, yeah.
2 batches.
So at least I'm gonna turn them over at least twice.
Right now it's 6:43, which means it's 25 minutes, and they're done. They're looking a little bit crispy, a little bit, you know.
They're looking on point.
Don't drink it, it's not a beer, Sandra.
Sorry, I'm trying to open this. No se abre, no se abre. Okay, so just get any deep bowl, round bowl. Le brincó el aceite.
Damn, that shit hurt.
Okay, so you're gonna go ahead and just pour some in here. How many do you want?
Agency?
Yeah.
Like 10.
So we're just gonna go ahead and pour some in here just a little bit. Go ahead and put some honey barbecue in another one. Alright, so let's go ahead and we're gonna start dipping them in. So I have a preference in wings. I like ofBlacks. I'm very picky with my wings. So I'm gonna go ahead and start pouring in my husband's.
Oh, so you're gonna give me the weak ones? Hell nah.
I like flats. I don't like wings.
Give me half and half. Ahorita que dale a Julie, a Perla, dale las drums. They like drums.
Gonna get rid of all that excess.
Hey.
Yeah. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. I'm just gonna go ahead and just wait a little bit more. Just pour it. Alright, so that one's there. Gonna go ahead and grab the next one.
But if you want them like a little bit crispier, like how they're looking right there, give it like about half an hour, 30 minutes.
30 minutes, yeah.
Yeah, so 25 to 30 minutes is like the boiling point, the good point.
Yeah, because we're picky with, I'm really picky with my chicken or meat. Like they have to be cooked.
25, 30 minutes.
Alright, so
That'll be
that's
good.
there. I'm gonna go ahead and put it, I'm gonna lower it down a little bit and I'm gonna put it in that second batch. But first, just go ahead, awesome. Shake it like sausage.
Wait, what? Art?
Alright, so that's that one. Grab the next one.
Oh no!
No!
También se le cae la ketchup.
No!
Triste moment.
Hold on, pause it.
Triste. Rookie mistake. What's up? So Sandra is being a rookie. He se manchó de ketchup. So now it's my turn to cook the wings. We're gonna make them better than what she did. We're gonna throw in the next batch already. See how they come out. The same process. Alright.
Alright, okay, so I'm gonna go switch my shirt.
¿Se bañó?
Dumb. So I'm gonna go ahead and just use this. I'm just gonna go ahead and use the fork. So I can be more careful.
Yeah, because last time se embarró de ketchup. Triste.
So just go ahead and toss them with your fork. Try not to get any chile in your eye. For those that don't speak Spanish, what's chile in English?
That's not chile, what the hell?
It's chile.
We're in the Netflix and chile later.
Try not to get any sauce, any spicy sauce into your eye. Alright guys, so my husband was telling me, use something pretty to put them on top or whatever. I was like, no.
I didn't tell you nothing, you know, you lying.
Like,
The next
there
batch.
you go. So there's first.
Tasty.
Alright, grab the second one. And that's it guys, that's how you make your recipe for Buffalo Wild Wings. So we're gonna go ahead and try it out.
If you guys haven't done so already, give us a like. It's gonna help us out a lot. And just comment below any questions, any concerns you have.
Yum.
If you guys did it yourself and you guys like how it came out, let us know in the comment below.
There's barbecue.
And don't forget to subscribe.
Alright, so I have my ranch right here. So go ahead, he's gonna do Asian zing and I'm gonna do honey barbecue.
Yeah. Alright, well thanks for watching. See you in the next one. We have some big surprises coming up.